To power boost your RAM ProMaster, we're gonna do a little tour on the side of the truck here. Open the driver door and you have this little guy over here that will open the hood right there. You can put your fingers around here. There's a latch that you can, this guy, that will help you to open it. Then you can hold it with that, and inside here is right there. See, right there is our positive. So you can pick the red one and put it here, like that. And about the negative, if you're looking for it, it's just right here. So you see it says only for jumpstart. So put the negative here. And of course the other side of the jumper on the other car, and you should be good to go. If it doesn't start, wait for a minute or two, give the time to the battery to get a bit more juice, and you should be able to start it. I hope this was helpful.